Welcome to part 2 of the video, where we'll be talking about some more wellness tourism destination in India. If you haven't watched part 1, click on the eye icon above. Another wellness center in the city of Bangalore, Saukya aims to restore the natural balance of one's body, mind and soul through the ancient mixture of both ancient and modern medical techniques. The center is spread over 30 acres of land and offers a wide range of therapies and medicines. Further, the center consists of 25 rooms for their guests along with the yoga and meditation hall, recreation facilities, dining hall and jogging tracks. The beach house offers the experience of beach and wellness at the same location. The house cum retreat center hosts 15 luxurious rooms and puts forward all the ingredients to rejuvenate the body, mind and soul. Apart from this, the center has a professional team of doctors consisting of Ayurvedic nutritionists, hypnotherapists, yoga instructors, spa therapists, activity coaches and fitness trainers. Kallari Kovilakkom is the place where history meets natural tranquility and wellness. This top retreat center in Kerala is also famed as the Palace of Ayurveda and is designed in the manner of ancient ashrams. Here they follow certain protocols which are must for their guests, like prohibition of caffeine, flesh, leather accessories and alcohol. The guests enjoy their healthier lifestyle because of Ayurvedic and holistic approach. Filled with an exclusive range of massages, yoga and Ayurvedic treatments, the Wildflower Hall is owned by the Oberoi Group and offers some majestic views of the Great Himalayas. On the other hand, their indoor pool offers a rich experience of witnessing lit and ornamented crystal chandeliers. Moreover, their reviving spa includes Ayurvedic techniques to relieve tension and comforting the body. A paradise of wellness and art together, the Saswara is one of the top art resorts in India. The place is centered on natural harmony, refocus and recalibrate the self. Moreover, the place is designed to achieve the voice of inner self and a holistic experience and transformation. Sunrise yoga on the beach, meditation and Ayurvedic treatments are the key highlights of this resort. Amar Vilas is an Oberoi Group resort known for the authentic spa treatments which help in rejuvenating and relaxing the body. The treatments also include bringing back of natural balance of the body and mind. Besides the treatment and wellness, the resort also delivers the astonishing view of Taj Mahal, which is just 650 meters away from the resort. The term Kaya refers to body and Kalp means transformation. Hence, Kaya Kalp is body transformation. The resort was founded in 2005, bringing alternative systems of healing under one roof. Moreover, the place is also known for spreading awareness for natural cure, panchakarma, yoga and physiotherapy. They have professional doctors and consultants which offer treatment facilities of natural cure and Ayurveda. Their motto is to treat through drugless therapies. Home away from a home, Ashiana was formed as a sanctuary, but now it is one of the perfect places to spend yoga holidays in Goa. The retreat village offers the opportunity to disconnect with the technologies and tune into the natural tempo. This resort in Goa runs detox and rejuvenation retreats throughout the year. Moreover, the center is known for spa treatments along with yoga therapies. Spread across 15 acres of land, the Soma Theeram has been providing Ayurvedic treatment for over 30 years and the treatment is taken under the supervision of professional doctors and therapists. Moreover, the center has its own medicine manufacturing units which offers more than 600 varieties of herbs. Variety of other programs like boating, indoor games and accommodation are also provided by this center. Aman Bagh is a sanctuary located in the Secret Garden Estate in India's rugged Aravalli Hills. The place is also famed as a commendable wellness heritage of India. The Ayurvedic physicians keep a close eye to each and every aspect of your body to offer a unique experience of the 5,000-year-old retreatment system. The retreat center aims to bring back the natural balance in all things. It offers a range of customized detox experience with an aim to restore the natural balance of the body. In a consistently growing economy where people are facing a fast-changing life, wellness tourism becomes even more important as it rejuvenates the body, mind and soul by detoxification provided by various healthcare therapies. Hence, India is perceived as one of the true spiritual homes of the modern wellness movement globally.